Imagine a world where the boundaries between the real and the imaginary blur, a world where you can soar over breathtaking landscapes, capture unforgettable moments from unique angles, and experience adventures previously reserved for the wildest dreams. This world is no longer a dream. Thanks to the Wipkviey T26, a drone designed to elevate your flying experience to the next level while remaining accessible to both beginners and seasoned enthusiasts. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours today. This drone is the perfect ally for beginners and drone enthusiasts, offering exceptional ease of use combined with advanced features for a fun and enriching flying experience. It is ideal for those looking to explore the world from above, capture unique moments, or simply have fun with cutting-edge technology. This drone is not an ordinary drone. It is a promise of escape, exploration, and creativity, all wrapped in a sleek, sophisticated black design. With its 1080p video recording resolution, this drone turns every user into a true filmmaker capable of capturing the beauty of the world in high definition. The Wi-Fi connectivity and remote control technology paved the way for smooth interaction between the drone and its controller, ensuring precise and responsive control. But what truly makes the Wipkviey T26 unique is its accessibility. Designed for use by both adults and children, this drone incorporates features aimed at facilitating learning and control. The 360-degree rotation, 3D flips, altitude hold, and headless mode are just a few examples of how this Wipkviey T26 democratizes drone flying. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast or a curious beginner, this drone provides you with a stable and intuitive platform to explore the sky. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. Controlling the Wipkviey T26 is a piece of cake, literally. The multiple control methods, including button control, mobile app control, gravity control, and even voice control, make piloting both fun and varied. You can control your drone as if you were a conductor, simply using your voice or body movements. This ease of use is complemented by smart safety features such as low battery alerts and distance alarms, which protect both the drone and its pilot. Flight time is often a limitation for drone users, but not with the Wipkviey T26. Thanks to its 2 rechargeable batteries, you can enjoy nearly 24 minutes of flight time, giving you plenty of time to explore, film, and play. Furthermore, the improvement of materials and the design of the drone not only ensure better stability in flight, but also increased resistance in case of a fall. In addition to its technical prowess, the Wipkviey T26 stands out for its photographic and video capabilities. The intelligent gesture photo capture and FPV first-person view transmission allow you to instantly capture and share your aerial adventures, making each flight unique and memorable. Whether you want to capture a sunset on the beach or take an aerial selfie during a mountain hike, the Wipkviey T26 is your ideal companion. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. The entire product, including the drone itself, the remote control, the batteries, and various accessories, is designed to maximize your flying experience. The propeller protection supports and the included storage bag make it easy to transport and protect your drone, allowing you to take it on all your adventures. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1. Ease of use. Designed to be intuitive with simple controls and flight modes, suitable for both beginners and more experienced users. Advantage number 2. Advanced functionality. Including options such as altitude hold, 3D flip, and headless mode, enhancing the flying experience. Advantage number 3. Flexible control. Offers multiple control methods, including voice and gesture commands, enhancing interactivity and enjoyment. Advantage number 4. Enhanced safety, with low battery alerts and a distance alarm to prevent loss or damage. Advantage number 5. Durability, high-quality materials, and a robust design that better withstands shocks and falls. Advantage number 6. Extended flight time. Thanks to the 2 included batteries, which allow for up to 24 minutes of flight time, this is above the average for drones in its category. Now let's move on to a few drawbacks. Disadvantage number 1. Sensitivity to wind. Its performance can be affected in windy conditions, which limits its use to calmer environments or indoors. In conclusion, the Wipkviey T26 is not just a simple drone, it is a gateway to a world of infinite possibilities. Whether you are looking for a new passion, a hobby to share with family, or a tool to experiment with your creativity, the Wipkviey T26 is the perfect choice. Don't wait any longer to join the drone pilot community and discover the hundreds of customer reviews that testify to the quality and performance of the Wipkviey T26. Click on the link in the description to order yours at the best price, learn more about the product, and start your adventure in the air today. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.